Hey y'all, so this is something that I have to do on every month or so, whatever. And I'm gonna do like a deep like pre-poo, and I always love to use black castor oil and aloe vera juice that I extract from a few leaf, and I have a video of that somewhere. But anyway, because I am now told that I can't record her anymore, I am going to go ahead and use my last pre-poo session that I did record, and I forgot that I had in here. She hates getting it, anything done to it, but I just pretty much go through her whole head and add the mixture all over, being very generous because what it does, because her hair is so thick and dry, sometimes it gives, you know, all of the moisture or whatever, a great deal of moisture back into the hair, especially when I wash it, because it's helpful to prevent from the stripping, and any little touch is horrible to her. But I'm using a wide tooth comb. I do have the other little flexible brush thingy, but I'm not using that today. And generally, I brush the end of the hair, and then I work my way from the top down. That way, it makes it easier to detangle and move forward. And I'm just going to twist them as I complete the sections. And yeah, then I'm going to be quiet and just let the video play. And it's funny because at the end, she shows how much she doesn't appreciate her hair being touched. Anyway, ta-ta.